Shorty like $1,000 plate, fine china. Tell her that she beautiful every day.
What's goody, bam bam? If you're interested in this braiding pattern for crochets, I did film a separate video with all the details and tea on how to achieve this look. I'll be sure to leave that link in the description box below. Shout out to ToyoTressHair once again for sponsoring this video. This time they sent out not one pack of passion twists, but two, baby girl, two. They wanted to make sure your girl didn't run out of anything, and I do thank them kindly for that. Remember, their packages does come with the crochet needle along with 7 packs of passion twists in the bulk itself. Now, since the fall season is finally here, I did switch up the color this time and requested to receive this beautiful ombre burgundy color. The ends are definitely on the more brighter side with the red, but I think it goes perfectly together. For my first time crocheters out there, just watch this clip and pay attention on how to lash the hair into the braid, pull it in, tie it, and twist it. Oh, and speaking of twists, you'll see me make a face during the second twist because I gotta be completely honest with you. I was prepared for them to see me get pre-twist passion twist like last time, but they only sent the actual crochet hair for me to twist myself, which kind of left me puzzled and feeling awkward because I definitely wouldn't have did the braiding pattern that I did. I would have just went with the original rubber band method. But oh well, it's too late for that now. The style still came out somewhat cute at the end. Once you complete all of your passion twists, take your desired foaming lotion, go ahead and distribute it all throughout your head. Again, this just helps tone down any flyaways and give your hair a little bit of shine. And this stuff I got, the brand I got smells really good. I definitely recommend it. The brand is called BB. Next, take some edge control of your desire. I'm using Murray's Edge Control, and I'm just doing up my edges so they won't be out here looking ratchet, because I already feel a little ratchet, a little ghetto with this bright red in my head. But hey, okay, I'm just trying to be cute, aren't we all? Like, that is the goal, right? Okay, just checking. Alrighty, so going forward, I'm going to swoop my edges with this edge control brush. Y'all, this brush is a go. I don't know who invented this, but I just want to say thank you, because those two brushes, I mean, may work the same, but this here, child, I don't know, it just works better for me for some reason. I think I like it better because it has two sides, so if the brush ain't really doing this job that it really needs to do, you can just switch to that comb size, and hunty, edges will be snatched to the gourds. Alrighty. So usually after I get done doing my edges with some type of edge control, I like to go in next with Got to Be Glued, the black bottle, just to secure it down and make sure that it lasts all freaking day. And then I'll lay a scarf around my head, tie that around, and just at this point I'm just going to go ahead and just style my hair on how I want it to be styled. And this time I did decide to go with a top bun look with half up, half down, just to get this hair out of my face. And I'm pretty much done once I style it and take this scarf off. Towards the end, you guys will see me stand up and you guys will actually see the length of this hair. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe to me. And if you aren't familiar just yet, I do have a giveaway. Go under my community tab and you'll see your ways to enter. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Why you gotta do this? Why you put me through this? Why you gotta do